Guys, Kesaria Textile company manufacture different kinds and varieties of ladies wears like different kinds of sarees, print, Banarasi, silk and all the etc. collections like cotton. In 10 or 15 different types of sarees we will manufacture and branding here in Kesaria Textile company. Rather than that, many ladies wear items like lehengas, gowns, kurtis, nighties, blouse pieces, petticoats, all these 15 to 20 categories of women's wear, you have it at under one roof, which you name it Kesaria Textile company. So guys, in this particular video I'm gonna showcase you some beautiful collections and new arrivals lehengas in this particular video. So guys, don't skip the video, watch from start to till the end, otherwise you miss a beautiful concepts and designs of lehengas in between. First you will see this is a pure marriage or engagement wise lehengas you will see in this screen. There are heavily loaded with work in this particular red color and georgette fabric. In this you will see particular beautiful golden zari threading work in this with the beautiful pearls designs in each and every designs or in each and every buttas you will see in this particular designs. There are some small similar stones which are adjustable and contrastable to the various designs in lehengas you will see in this. Rather than that, we will provide a can work in which if you wear at any time you will feel comfortable at any cost. One of these lehengas benefits are there, you can order single pieces also. Apart from the lehengas like sarees, Banarasi silk, kurtis, all these materials you have to purchase sets or minimum bundle wise. But in lehengas you can only if you need you can only order a single pieces also at whatever the destinations you are, in particular India also or other worldwide shipping also we provide. There is a beautifully satin work, satin fabric is there, and apart from that there is a beautiful network concept is there. In this particular designs there are some beautiful silver zari work is done on this particular designs. Some beautiful sequence work are lining in this particular lehenga you will see, and apart from this beautiful white border lehengas in which the straight sequencing work are provided which enhance the total beauty of collections of this particular lehenga. See, there is some beautiful concept in this. There are some mind-blowing concept are in this particular lehengas designs you will see. Beautiful zari or threading work. Some main is that simple 3 to 4 concepts we will try like silver zari, golden zari, threading and little stone works, but the designs we provide are newly in any concept of our lehengas. There are some beautiful Indian traditional concept which we will try at any occasions which are similar in their according to their states. This is a perfect example, perfect concept to wear at a college functions. In these collections you will may like our college students which are in their schools also they will like this kind of material. In this material you will see there are some beautiful crushed material we have in this particular designs of lehengas. There are some beautiful Indian traditional concepts of elephants or flowering. These kinds of beautiful concepts we have provided in our this particular lehenga. There are some beautiful multicolor threading work and some sequence work are done in this mirror work. All in one piece you will see in this particular lehenga. So guys, lehengas you can also one pieces delivery at your home destinations. Rather than that, if you interest or want to start your new business, then let me call you Kesaria Textile company with starting a minimum budget of 15,000 to 20,000 you will start your own business in this particular textile field. Rather than that, our haldi ceremony or mehndi ceremony you will provide this kind of particular crop top model you will see in this particular designs. See, there are beautiful crush material in this and some beautiful golden dots work in this particular mirror work. All these shining objects you will see. Some chrome tom in this particular designs. There are beautiful shining objects like multicolor threading work, beautiful stone works and all these particular, and according to contrast of this chrome tom you will get a particular contrasting dupatta in this particular chrome tom. See, some beautiful sequence work which are done in this particular chrome tom work. So guys, In our lehenga or crop top sections, there is a very big counter section in this providing. I'm gonna showcase all these some short glimpses of samples like all this lehenga. Rather than that, please call on a screen available number and have a hundreds and 200s of varieties of each particular lehengas or crop tops in your WhatsApp. So guys, I'm gonna give you some beautiful, interesting and useful videos in this our channel.